Hi guys, Scott here from Rocky's Harley-Davidson, 900 Wilton Grove Road in London. Today I want to show you the 2021 Fat Bob. This is a definite street eater with an appetite for power. It's a comfortable, relaxed riding position, forward controls, allows you to ride a little bit longer. It's got this awesome LED headlight to light up the road for your evening rides. Cast wheels, fat tire, bobber style. This model Softail has the inverted forks, dual discs. If you're gonna make it go, you gotta make it whoa. Part of the things that make it go is this Milwaukee-Eight 114. That's 1,866 cc's of raw power. It's got this 2-into-1-into-2 exhaust system with the upswept exhaust in the contrast colors. Coming to the back of the bike, again, the cast rim, fat tire. As with the Softail line, there is a mono shock under the seat, so you still get the hardtail look. It's an awesome looking machine. Come on down to Rocky's, check it out.